In today's video, I'm going to show you the process of how to sign out of Google Photos app. To sign out of your Google Photos, you'll need to remove the Google account itself from your device. To do this, you can head over to your Gmail, or also you can open up your Google Photos app. For this video, I'm going to show you through the Google Photos app. After you open up Google Photos, tap on your profile on the top right of the screen. Here you'll see an arrow. After you tap on the arrow, it will also show you all the other accounts that are logged into this device. Now you'll need to tap on Manage Accounts on this device. Then it will take you to the settings of your device. Next, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see an option for Google. Tap on Google. Here again it will show you all the accounts that are active on this device. Tap on the account that you want to remove. Here you can also choose the data that you want to keep or that you want to remove by checking these boxes. Now tap on More and tap on Remove. After you tap on Remove, your Google account will be removed from your phones, and also you'll be signed out of your Google Photos app.